Hi friends, good evening to everyone. And my second video assignment is my topic is plugging back of profit. Plugging back of profit is a strategic financial decision to involve reinvesting earnings into a company operations of expenses. This practice fuels growth and strengthens the business financial positions. Definition importance. Definition: plugging back of profit means reinvesting earnings into the business instead of distributing them as dividends. Internal financing: it is a form of internal financing that reduces reliance on external sources of capital. Growth driver: this strategy fuels business expansions, improve operations, and enhance long-term values for stakeholders. Sources of profit: sales revenue, income generated from selling products or services to customers. Investment returns, profits earned from investments in financial instruments or other businesses. Royalties and licensing, income from allowing others to use company intellectual properties or assets. Factors influencing plugging back or profit: business growth opportunities, expansions, prospects, and market conditions influence the decision to reinvest profits. Second one, financial health. The company's current financial position affects its ability to plug back profits. Shareholders' expectations. Balancing reinvestments with stakeholders' dividend expansions is crucial for management. Benefits of plugging back of profit: organic growth facilitates expansions without external financing, enables investment in new technological and markets. Financial stability strengthens balance sheet and improve the financial ratio, enhances creditworthiness and borrowing capacity. Competitive advantage allow for strategic investment, improves operational efficiency and marketing positioning. Drawbacks of plugging back of profit: reduced dividends, lower immediate return for shareholders, over-investment risk, potential misallocations of resources, market perception, possible negative impact on stock price, legal and regularity consideration. Corporate laws compliance with the regulations on profit distribution and reinvestments is essential. Tax implication: understanding the tax consequences of reinvesting profits whereas distributing dividends is crucial. Shareholders approval: some decision may be require shareholders consist depending upon the company bylaws. Strategies for effective plugging back of profit: analyze growth opportunities, identifying high potential areas and reinvestment that align with the company goals. Balanced approach: maintain the equilibrium between reinvestment and dividend distribution to satisfy stakeholders. Regular review: continuously evaluate the effectiveness of reinvestment strategies and adjust necessary. Stakeholders management: transparent communication, clearly explain the reinvestment decision to stakeholders and other stakeholders. Balancing interests, consider the needs of various stakeholders when making reinvestment decisions. Long-term visions, emphasize the long-term benefits of plugging back profits of sustainable growth. Industry examples and case studies: Amazon, Tesla, Google. Amazon consistently reinvestment profits into expanding the product lines and improving the logistic infrastructure. Tesla plugging back profits into research and development effective the vehicle technology. to improving Tesla and companies. Google reinvested in a heavily innovated project leading to diver- diversified revenue streams. And these are main industry examples in the in case studies for the Amazon, Tesla, and Google. Thank you.